Welcome to the WhatsApp Marketing Strategy presentation. Brought to you by the Inspiration College YouTube channel. Here is the outline of our presentation. 1. Introduction. Definition of WhatsApp marketing. Overview of WhatsApp marketing in 2023. 2. Advantages of WhatsApp marketing. Increased reach. Improved engagement. Improved communication. 3. Disadvantages of WhatsApp marketing. Potential for spam. Lack of reach. 4. Strategies for successful WhatsApp marketing in 2023. Targeted messaging. Automation. Interactive content. 5. Conclusion. Overview of benefits of WhatsApp marketing in 2023. Summary of strategies for successful WhatsApp marketing in 2023. Stay tuned for the next section of the presentation. Introduction. WhatsApp marketing is one of the most effective and efficient ways to reach a large number of customers quickly. It is a great tool for businesses to connect with their target audience and build relationships with them. With its large user base and high engagement rates, WhatsApp is an ideal platform for businesses to reach their audience. This guide will provide an introduction to WhatsApp marketing, including its features, advantages, and best practices. Definition of WhatsApp marketing. WhatsApp marketing is the practice of using the messaging platform to connect with customers, prospects, and other stakeholders in order to promote products and services. This type of marketing involves creating and sending automated messages, promotional offers, and other content to customers and prospects who have opted in to receive messages from the business. Additionally, businesses can use WhatsApp as a customer service platform, allowing customers to ask questions and get answers quickly, as well as provide feedback. WhatsApp marketing also offers businesses the opportunity to create and manage WhatsApp groups to communicate with large groups of customers at once. Overview of WhatsApp marketing in 2023. WhatsApp marketing in 2023 has become a popular and effective way to reach a large audience. It has become an indispensable part of many digital marketing strategies. WhatsApp allows businesses to target their messages to specific customers, build relationships, and provide customer support. Businesses can send messages, images, audio, and video content through WhatsApp. Additionally, WhatsApp supports automated messaging, which allows businesses to send messages to customers at specific times. WhatsApp marketing in 2023 also includes features such as broadcast messages, group chats, and rich media messages. Broadcast messages are one-way messages sent to all users in a group chat or to a large number of contacts. Group chats allow businesses to interact with customers in a more personal way. And rich media messages allow businesses to send images, audio, and video content to customers. WhatsApp also offers businesses the opportunity to create custom bots. These bots can be used to respond to customer inquiries, send notifications, and automate customer service. Additionally, businesses can use WhatsApp to run promotional campaigns and increase brand awareness. Overall, WhatsApp has become an essential part of digital marketing in 2023. It provides businesses with a powerful platform to reach more customers and build relationships. With its features, businesses can create customized messages, send broadcast messages, and interact with customers in real time. With WhatsApp, businesses can improve customer service, increase brand awareness, and boost their sales. Stay tuned for the next section. Advantages of WhatsApp marketing. 1. Cost-effective. WhatsApp marketing requires minimal cost to set up and maintain. The cost involved is nominal when compared to other marketing channels. 2. Ease of use. WhatsApp marketing is easy to use and understand. It requires minimal technical knowledge to set up and maintain a successful campaign. 3. Reach. WhatsApp has a large user base, so it can be used to reach a wide audience. 4. Personalization. WhatsApp allows for personalization of messages sent to customers. This allows for a more customized approach to messaging customers. 5. Automation. WhatsApp can be automated to send out messages at certain times, or when certain triggers occur. This allows for a more efficient way to manage campaigns. 6. Analytics. WhatsApp provides analytics to help track the success of campaigns. This allows for better optimization of campaigns and messaging strategies. Increased reach. The reach of WhatsApp marketing can be increased in several ways. 1. Utilize influencers. Influencers are one of the most effective and cost-efficient ways to reach a wider audience on WhatsApp. By partnering with influencers, businesses can tap into their already established fan base and expand their reach. 2. Utilize automated messaging. Automated messaging can help businesses send out messages to a large number of contacts at the same time in a personalized way. This can help businesses reach a wider audience with minimal effort. 3. Leverage social media platforms. By leveraging other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, businesses can easily share their content on WhatsApp and reach a much larger audience. 4. Participate in WhatsApp groups. Participating in WhatsApp groups can help businesses reach a wider audience as they can share their content with the members of the group. 5. Leverage WhatsApp broadcast lists. By creating WhatsApp broadcast lists, businesses can easily send out messages to multiple contacts at once. This can help businesses reach a wider audience with minimal effort. Improved engagement. WhatsApp has improved engagement in several ways, including 1. Group messaging. Group messaging allows users to communicate with multiple people at once, making it easier to share ideas, coordinate events, and facilitate group discussions. 2. Status updates. Status updates give users the ability to quickly share information about what they are doing or what is going on in their lives. 3. Voice and video calling. Voice and video calling allows users to communicate face-to-face, increasing engagement and fostering a closer connection between users. 4. Broadcast messaging. Broadcast messaging allows users to send a message to multiple contacts at once, making it easier to reach a larger audience with a single message. 5. Media sharing. Media sharing allows users to share photos, videos, and other types of media, making it easy to keep friends and family up to date with what is going on in their lives. Improved communication. WhatsApp enables users to communicate quickly and easily across multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, and Windows. It allows users to send messages, photos, videos, and audio recordings with a simple tap of the finger. WhatsApp also allows users to create group conversations and share locations. Additionally, its end-to-end encryption ensures that all communication is secure and private. This makes it a great tool for personal and business communication. In addition, users can make voice and video calls from within the app, which can be especially useful for staying connected with family and friends, as well as for business purposes. Disadvantages of WhatsApp marketing. Potential for spam. The potential for spam when using WhatsApp messaging is quite high. Spammers can send unsolicited messages to contacts in a user's address book, as well as send malicious links or attachments. Additionally, users can be targeted by scammers who send messages pretending to be from official companies or organizations. Furthermore, users can be added to unwanted group chats, which can be used to spread spam and malicious content. Lack of reach. WhatsApp marketing can be a great way to reach a large number of people at once, but it does have some drawbacks. WhatsApp marketing lacks the ability to reach people outside of the network, which means that if you are targeting a global audience, it may not be the best option. Additionally, WhatsApp does not offer detailed analytics, which makes it difficult to measure the success of your campaigns and optimize them for better performance. Finally, WhatsApp does not allow for direct integration with other marketing platforms, which can be useful for segmentation and targeting. Strategies for successful WhatsApp marketing in 2023. Targeted messaging. WhatsApp targeted messaging allows businesses to send promotional messages to contacts that have opted in to receive them. It enables businesses to create and target specific audiences with tailored messages, offers, and promotions. This type of messaging is a powerful way to engage customers and build relationships with them. With targeted messaging, businesses can deliver timely, relevant, and personalized messages to customers, helping to build loyalty and brand awareness. Additionally, businesses can use this type of messaging to increase the click-through rate of their messages and increase conversions. Automation. WhatsApp messaging automation involves the use of bots and automated systems to send and receive messages on WhatsApp. This can be used for marketing, customer service, and other communication purposes. Automation can be used to send messages in bulk, schedule messages to be sent at a specific time, and respond to customer inquiries in real time. Automation can also be used to collect data, analyze conversations, and track user engagement. Interactive content. WhatsApp interactive content refers to the use of hyperlinks, images, videos, and other media as part of a WhatsApp message. This type of content can be used to engage with customers, deliver information, and encourage interaction. For example, businesses can use interactive content to provide product information, allow customers to purchase items, and link to content that relates to their business, such as blog posts or social media accounts. Additionally, interactive content can be used to host events, create polls, and host surveys to collect customer feedback. Conclusion. Overview of benefits of WhatsApp marketing in 2023. WhatsApp marketing is an effective and efficient way to reach your target audience in 2023. It is a great way to engage with customers and build relationships with them in a cost-effective and timely manner. WhatsApp provides businesses with an engaging platform to send and receive messages, photos, and videos to their customers. Benefits of WhatsApp marketing in 2023 include: 1. Easy to use. WhatsApp is easy to use and requires minimal setup. Businesses can quickly create campaigns and send messages to their customers at the click of a button. 2. Cost-effective. WhatsApp does not require any additional costs for marketing campaigns and messages. This makes it a cost-effective tool for businesses to reach their target audience. 3. Personalized messages. WhatsApp allows businesses to send personalized messages to customers, making it easier to build relationships with them. 4. Automation. The automation tools available on WhatsApp enable businesses to automate processes like customer support, order tracking, and more. 5. Social media integration. WhatsApp can be integrated with other social media platforms like Facebook, making it easier to reach a wider audience. 6. Targeted messages. With WhatsApp, businesses can target messages to specific customer segments and ensure that the right message reaches the right customer. 7. Increased engagement. WhatsApp makes it easy for businesses to increase customer engagement and loyalty by providing an interactive platform for customers to interact with businesses. WhatsApp marketing is an effective way for businesses to reach their target audience in 2023. It is cost-effective, easy to use, and provides a range of features and tools to help businesses engage with their customers. Summary of strategies for successful WhatsApp marketing in 2023. 1. Introduce automation. Automation will be a must if you want to succeed in WhatsApp marketing in 2023. Automating messages and sending out personalized campaigns will help you save time and reach a larger audience. 2. Leverage user content. User-generated content is a great way to increase engagement on your WhatsApp campaigns. Encourage customers to share their experiences and stories with your brand. 3. Take advantage of rich media. Rich media such as videos, GIFs, and pictures are great for grabbing the attention of your audience. Use visuals to make your messages more engaging. 4. Personalize your messages. Personalizing your messages to customers will help you stand out from the crowd. Utilize customer data to tailor messages to their specific needs and interests. 5. Monitor performance. Monitor your campaigns regularly to ensure that you are getting the best results. Analyzing the performance of your campaigns will help you optimize and refine your strategies. We have come to the end of our WhatsApp marketing strategy presentation. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the Inspiration College YouTube channel for more inspiring videos.